friends, happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I also want to thank you guys for all of your lovely words of encouragement, your love and your support on my Monday's video. Thank you so much. I will say that 99.9% of my community are the most wonderful, loving, sweet, supportive, kind people. There's a handful of people that are not so nice. And when I say this, I'm not talking to the 99.9%. I'm talking to the handful of people that like to stir things up. Those people are not welcome here. You see, in YouTube land, you've got communities that are sunshine, rainbows, and flowers. And then you've got another side of YouTube that I like to call the swamp creatures or forest lurkers. It's like the dark, deep forest full of like lurkers that are just looking to get into trouble and cause chaos wherever they go. Yeah, those people, bye-bye, go back to the forest, unless you can play nice. YouTube has community guidelines they like people to follow. And if people want to come on here and be mean and nasty, I'm not going to entertain your nastiness. I'm going to go to your channel, I'm going to block you, and then I'm going to delete your comment. It will not be seen. Anyway, with that said, enough is enough. I want to talk to you guys about something. I need some help. Now, this morning, I've been wandering around the house aimlessly, thinking, what do I want to decorate? Normally, I've got some ideas, but because we've been so busy with this house stuff, I haven't really been putting much thought in it. And I thought to myself this morning, reach out to your followers, reach out to your besties. They will have some good suggestions. I would absolutely love it if you guys have the time to start a discussion down below in the comments as to what your style is. And I think it would be so fun for everybody to just comment. If you're into French country, put I love French country, or I love rustic farmhouse, or I love traditional, or I love glam, or I love this, or I love that, or I love a mix of styles, or this is how I decorate. I had a lady on Monday's video leave me a comment, and she was telling me how she transitioned sort of out of farmhouse into French country, and now she's incorporating a little bit of old world with it. And she gave me some ideas as to how she was incorporating that old world with the French country, and it sounded gorgeous. And I thought, oh, that was wonderful that she shared that, because I'm going to be honest, I have been on Pinterest, gosh, several weeks looking for something that sparks my interest to where I can kind of say, yes, that's the direction I'd like to go in, and start phasing a little of the farmhouse out and trying something different. Well, guess what, guys? When I'm on Pinterest, it's like farmhouse, 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 farmhouse. And I'm a little over it, as many of you are as well. I mean, I love it. Don't get me wrong. My whole house is pretty much farmhouse. But I think I need variety in my life, and this is just too much of a good thing, if you know what I mean. The black and white, it's got to go. It's got to go in the new house. I may reupholster these chairs. I'm not going to be bringing these black and white check bar stools to my house, I don't think. I don't know, I might. No, I don't think so. Let's get to the basics. How about we do that? Let's get to the basics. Let me know, what is your style? What is your color scheme? Are you incorporating different styles? And how is that working for you? I would love to know, you guys. I need some ideas other than farmhouse. Now, I have to tell you, over Christmas, when we were talking about how we wanted to decorate the lake house, we were talking about doing this huge entertainment center with a big flat screen TV, and then we were going to have cabinets, decor cabinets that I could decorate with, and some cabinets below for all my husband's audio equipment and so forth. And when I went online, everything was like 4,000 plus. And if you guys know me, yes, I buy stuff, but it's inexpensive stuff for the most part. I am a bargain shopper, very much so. So I can't fathom spending that amount right now. Just can't. Anyway, I always like to save a buck. So somebody told me about Ikea, and I thought, Ikea? Like, what's so great about Ikea? Well, I say that because we have never really lived around Ikea to where I can go really scope the place and get the lay of the land to see if I even like it. Sure, I've been a few times, but it was like 10 years ago. And so someone said, no, you've got to go because they've changed a lot. So over Christmas, my husband and I decided to take a trip over there. I went on Pinterest and I was seeing all these hacks for cabinets they offer. By the way, very, very reasonably priced. I was shocked. You can literally buy one of their cabinets, DIY it to make it look like a custom built-in. Or you can just buy the cabinets and have them as a standalone and they still look amazing. And then you can add the lighting, you know, the light strips or the lights that come over the top of the cabinet. There are a ton of options. So we decided to go, hey, if we could go to Ikea and find pieces that will mimic a huge entertainment center, maybe we can do it for a fraction of the cost. So today I'm going to share with you some clips that we took while we were at Ikea. I was floored. I thought, where have I been? Have I been living under a rock? Apparently, because they had so many amazing things. I will tell you the one thing I didn't really care for at Ikea was the dining room furniture. It's lower profile. Let me back up. I will say that their dining room furniture is better suited for smaller spaces. For a larger dining room, not so much. I don't think it would be scaled appropriately because the tables and the chairs are a little lower in profile than normal dining room chairs. So, but setting that aside, I went into their kitchen section, stemware, glassware, cutting boards. All their kitchen stuff was really, really, really good prices, very reasonable, stylish, might add. And then another thing that surprised me was their florals and their faux plants. I was shocked. I thought to myself, I should have been buying from Ikea long ago. Their prices are really good. The quality on the faux plants are excellent. And then you can buy their pots and then put the plants in the pots, and their pottery, their ceramic pots are beautiful and they are inexpensive. So what I'm trying to say is I need to get to an Ikea soon. Another great thing about Ikea is if you find things you like, you can have them shipped to your home. And maybe just in seeing the footage, it might give you guys some ideas. Maybe you have a faux plant at your house that's similar and you think, oh, I could put it in a little basket and set it in the kitchen, or I could set it there. Maybe it'll spur up some ideas for you if you're having decorating block like I am. All right, I'm gonna roll the footage and voiceover, and I'll get back with you at the end. So the beauty about Ikea is you have loads and loads and loads of options. You can take a cabinet or a cabinet with doors, and you can mix and match with a bookshelf or yet another cabinet or style. And you can expand it and make it have a very high-end look without the price. Trust me when I say I have done my homework on various pieces that look similar to these, and they are well beyond the price you would pay at Ikea. These are very, very affordable, and like I said, you can get a very high-end, eclectic, one-of-a-kind, curated, styled look. Ikea also has a ton of lighting options, so you can take a basic cabinet like this, add lighting, and you are really going next level. These cabinet pieces have lots of storage, which is wonderful, as well as plenty of room to show off all your pretties. Now, while some cabinets were more expensive than others, what I found interesting is the ones that I thought were actually more expensive were actually the lesser expensive cabinets. I was shocked, completely shocked. And when you place two of these cabinets together, boy oh boy does it look beautiful. And then just add lighting and you get the wow factor. I thought this piece was super cute. I could see a number of ways to style it and make it look gorgeous. And now the next piece I'm going to share with you is actually less expensive than the one I just showed you. Not bad, not bad at all. These gray cabinets would be great on a big wall, so you could fill in the space. And look at the price. Now I love this next cabinet. Why? Because I love the glass shelves. So if you have lighting up above, that glass shelf is going to allow that light to illuminate all your decor pieces. So the next piece you're going to see, I absolutely love. I can totally see that in one of the rooms at the new house. And I just want you to see the price. I mean, really not bad for what you get. And here you can see how you can take different combinations and place them together. And there you have it. Still not bad at all. And I like the fact that you have a lot of storage in this cabinet as well. I love that black piece. That's really pretty. I like that one too. And here I just want you to see how they placed, a couple together. I love that as well. I like how they add the lighting. I love that. That look I love. And I want to share with you the different faux florals they have there at Ikea and the cute baskets and pots you can put them in. Isn't that cute? I like that too. And I'm just showing you different pots you can put them in. But I love their faux floral picks and plants. I think you guys would love them too. And they are so inexpensive. I was shocked. Lots to choose from. So many of these plants and floral stems would be perfect for spring coming up, and just imagine them in beautiful pots or baskets. And they have beautiful glass dome cloches there and these beautiful terrariums. You can use them for plants or decor. And what I like about these terrariums is that you can get them in glass or even without the glass. This is a different option. That would be adorable in a kitchen, on a countertop somewhere. And here's how they had these terrariums styled in the store. Again, $17.99, not bad. At Home Goods, that would probably be $29.99. And here's the kitchen table I liked at the store with the chairs. Actually, those are the chairs I liked. With that table, I thought it looked pretty cute compared to the other chairs that were a little bit smaller. And again, the prices are awesome. All right, sweet friends, thanks for joining me. Again, I would love it if in the comments below, let me know what is your favorite style, what are the colors you work with in your house, and where do you see 2023 going? Again, I don't like to follow the trends, maybe a little bit here and a little bit there, but trends, they come and go like the wind. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and I will see you Friday for decorating. I'm sorry this wasn't a decorating video. It was just one of those days. I was like, block, what do I decorate? I don't know. But I know you guys will give me some great ideas. So I will see you Friday. Mwah! Bye, guys.